Who just
Assalamu
how's
alaikum
your
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
So,
वालेकुम अस्सलाम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू।
I'm going to share my screen. So, here, अब यहाँ पे हम लोग लिखते हैं फर्स्ट रिमूव और फिर यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने लिखा पीजी। तो फिर अब करते हैं। तो यहाँ पे जो ये इस तरह का जो लोगो आ रहा है ये वाला इसको हम लोग करेंगे। अब यहाँ पे हमारे पास जो भी इमेज होगी वो क्या करेंगे। अब यहाँ पे इन्होंने हमें दी हुई है इमेजेस, तो हम लोग कोई इसमें से अभी यहाँ से लेनी है मैंने, क्योंकि यहाँ भी मेरे पास कोई स्पेसिफिक इमेज नहीं है। या फिर डाउनलोड कर लेते चलो। तो ये वीडियो मिल गई इमेज।
What is this? A bicycle?
आपको ये टॉपिक नहीं है कि बाईसाइकिल करनी है या नहीं, मैंने बस उसका इमेज रिमूव करना है मुस्तफा। ओके, तो हियर आई गेट बाईसाइकिल एंड डन दबाना है फिर। तो यहाँ पे अब ये मुझे where is our bicycle? Just
Can
where,
you just do it again because I don't understand it how
okay,
to do it.
let us try again. Our image quality has been destroyed. Where is our? Okay, I understand. Where is anything? Okay, this is not working. We should use this. Okay, maybe this works. No, it is not working. Everything is not working.
Okay.
Wait a minute.
How do
Oh,
this?
it works. Let us see this. Yeah. If we see like this, oh, it has been where, but our cycle is.
Okay.
Let us see. Oh,
Oh no, what happened?
nothing happened, Mustafa. Everything is fine. So you can see this is our image, and this is
What
where
you say?
we have to download it and go on Canva. No, I don't want to go on Canva. I have my own app. So Canva Bhasha. Okay. Here we are in Canva, and here we can do many things. Okay, let's try. Let us go on Chrome again. And here, upload image again. Like this and done. Okay, so here I'll try again because my first image was very worst. Okay, so it will take 2 minutes down. So I don't want. Are you understanding now, Mustafa? Nothing happened when it was good. Okay. Let us use our previous images. Yeah, I have this one. So this is our image of. So if we change the background color, you can see here our cycle is totally. This is our previous. Okay, let us do again, on because we won. Here we. So it will take time. Let us reload this. Okay. Let us try this car. See this.
Oh,
If we want,
oh my God. Lamborghini Bugatti Free
if we
new
want
model.
change background, we have many backgrounds to change here. You can
No,
see
the first background is looking good.
this one, right?
No, the first.
The first one, what one? This one.
Yeah.
This is actually real image. So you can see here. Maybe someone want to make a fake image so it can make. He can make. Sorry. I don't want this background.
Let's
What is
make in pork.
what's in which background I have to use here? Minus. So we wanna do this, and if we
Yeah.
click and upload the image here, so uploading image is like this. How to make upload images here? So we get images here now.
Bro, who's that turtle?
So you can see we can put it anywhere, even in our logos. Okay.
Ashibai, do you have joined from mobile?
What?
You have joined from mobile?
Yeah, actually, I have joined from a while. So,
Okay.
should I join from computer as you think?
No. You should join from mobile only. No problem.
Okay.
So should
Okay,
I do this now?
let me
Upload
let me show you another thing. If you want to
Ashirbai?
keep it horizontal, yeah,
Should I do this now?
okay.
भाई मैं सबको म्यूट कर दूं?
No, sir, not. बिल्कुल भी नहीं.
Okay.
Let
किसी
me
को
share my screen.
let me off
Can I
my
share my
screen.
screen?
Stop sharing.
Shoo,
Okay.
shoo,
Share.
shoo.
Actually,
Do you have allow me?
Yeah, you can.
how are you now?
I'm allowed. Okay, it's done. You can see my screen now.
Yeah,
Let's
you
go.
can.
Now, how should I open in my mobile Canva? Because in my laptop there is Canva.
You have to open Chrome and it is just
Easy.
what easy.
See.
Chrome, okay. Click on how to annotate here. Go on Chrome here. Share what did you tell me? What did you do
Share my
here?
screen. Bro,
What?
let me make Canva in my mobile because I cannot use it here.
Was Mustafa, I can't hear you properly.
because it's so
I can
hard
hear.
work.
Okay, Mustafa, go on Chrome directly.
Eh, Canva. Can
Not
C
Canva,
A
Mustafa.
N
Go on Chrome.
V
Mustafa.
Chrome. This is Chrome.
Yeah, this is
What
not Chrome.
happened?
Mm.
Google is Chrome. Okay, this is my Chrome, but this is a little bit. What is this Chrome?
Oh.
Well, this is not my Chrome. This is in this mobile doesn't have Chrome, so I use like Google. Chrome
What?
and Google are
There was.
same.
Okay, no background.
Bro, can I do?
No, you can't.
I am sharing my
Mustafa. No, sure, you can't.
हाजिर भाई मैं ऐसे कर देता हूँ कि दोनों एक साथ करें
No, no, no. Not like this. I don't want to like this. Mustafa, right here, remove
Let me
background.
remove background.
Yeah, right here.
R E M remove bag.
Here,
Yeah,
remove BG. Correct. Go on.
engine
Search it.
bag. J
No, it is correct.
B
No, Mustafa, BG is correct. You just BG.
bag. Okay, search.
Okay, search it.
Oh my. Upload in. Okay, let's remove background.
Here is the website.
I'm so. Mm. Ooh. Eraser. I cannot find eraser.
Thank you, Mustafa. Stay here.
Oh, yo. No. Oh no. It's loading up. Hello. Let us see. Did it load? That bro, it's out of remove background 100 are free and free. Bro, who just okay, it load up. Background free. Bro. Bro, how much time it will take?
What happened?
Ah, how
Mustafa,
much time it will take?
your internet is too slow, Mustafa. Maybe you shouldn't try now.
My internet's 1000 image liter VPN. It is so fast and good. I think so. It's getting pressure. Nice.
Okay, you can leave it now. This is not you.
Bro.
Which kind of sound you are making?
Okay. Okay.
This is it.
Okay, what is this?
Where you are going?
Oh, no, anything. I don't understand. I'm just scrolling and doing this. Bro, this is Python? Oh my god, this is so
Not
Python.
Python. This is not Python. This is another thing. This is HTML. So Mustafa has gone.
Okay, I'm sharing my screen.
No, he's
Hello.
gone.
Yes. If you want, I can unshare. Stop. Oh, no. What's this? This. Just. Okay, stop share. Okay, Asher.
Sure, you should try it on computer or laptop. Okay, sure.
Asher, share your screen. How much Asher sharing?
Okay.
Wow.
B.
You are B Feb.
First one, sure.
Okay.
First one.
Wow, so nice. It's so looking cool. Bro, it's so cool. Burj Khalifa? Bro.
No, I should choose another.
Burj,
So with this one,
bro, it's so nice.
okay, I choose this.
Wait a second, I will tell you about Burj Khalifa because I am living in Dubai and I know.
Okay, okay.
Put the first background
I know.
first background, then you can only see the
Okay, bro. Second image.
Bro, you are wasting your time.
Okay. Here. D. Oh. Make a image.
Uh,
Of
a cat.
no. Car was better. He. So now it was better.
This is correct.
Oh my gosh.
He. So I choose this one.
It's so nice. It's so car. I like it.
But I don't like it.
Bro, that's why.
What?
It's a cool image. It's a cool image, so he should do that. It was a cool image
Okay.
of a
You're
Bugatti 360.
Sure.
better than
You are
Bugatti.
wasting too much time. We have not too much time for.
Okay, bro. Okay. So I choose first
So
one.
you have. Wait a minute, let me come here.
Okay. So
Okay.
background. And then where is my row? Row. I can't find the rest. This was better. Oh, now see, bro. Better?
Correct. Yep,
Okay.
it's correct.
This was better than the car. Right? Okay. So I am stop sharing my screen. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god, I am stop share. Yo.
Okay. Okay, it's my turn.
You do.
Let's go.
You
Just be
do,
quiet.
bro. Oh,
I will smash you up. Quiet.
okay.
You bag.
Where is recording?
Oh no.